My name is Steve Chang and I'm from Los Angeles. I've been with Clever Investor since July, so it's only a few months. To come to this event, I was afraid of talking on the phone with sellers, the cold calls. And when I was at home, I was only making about 3 calls a day. And right here, in just 2 days, I made over 110 calls. And I have 5 lead intake forms filled out. And the fear of talking to sellers is gone. That to me is a breakthrough. The Clever mentors and the team leaders, they were right there next to me and helping me and supporting me. And not just for me to successfully making a call, but also not for me to not be afraid to make mistakes. The why is I worked since 12 years old. I'm 52, so all this time that I've been working for somebody else, and just a year ago for me it was, yes, my paycheck went up, my title went up, but I'm still working for somebody else. There's something missing for me. I wanted to make sure that I'm able to be an entrepreneur and try that, and real estate was something that Cody was just happened to be at an event. I saw him, I love his style, and I wanted to follow him and learn from him. The why at the bottom, at the end of the day, is all about my family, my children. I have a 7-year-old and an 11-year-old children and my wife. I want to be able to provide for them. I want to show them that there's a legacy behind dad, not just working for somebody else, but also create a business for myself. Cody and his staff, definitely they have the knowledge and experience, and they're very willing to share that knowledge experience and support me through this journey. And so far, just within a few short months being part of the mentorship program, when I call with a question, there's an immediate response. When I ask, I'm a fan of Cody, if he can sign a t-shirt that I won from one of his Facebook events, I got a shirt in the mail with his signature on it. I'm going to put it on my wall, I just think this community is very personable, and it's very supportive. We support each other, and I love about that. For me, the breakthrough at this event, particularly in just short few months into the program, is able to realize and have the confidence that I can do this. I don't need any college degree or special education or speak a foreign language. I can do this because other people have gone through the same journey as I did, and they're able to be very successful. That's number one, confidence. And number two is not afraid to cold call and talk to people, because on the other side they're just people too, and that we're able to help them with their difficult situations. I think that's a win-win, because not only am I able to create this as a business, but also to help others in need. That's the best thing in the world. I can read books and manuals, but the motivation for me is really seeing, Cody he's the boss of this organization, but then he's also very accessible. And then his mentors and his staff are very supportive, and that just helps me to build my confidence along the way. And I also have a mentor. Every 2 weeks we're on the phone. Any questions I have, I don't have to wait for 2 weeks. I'm able to reach out to my mentor, and we're able to get on a conference call. That's just like priceless. That creates confidence, knowing that yes, I can do this, but I also know that I need help because I'm so new, and that all these people as part of the team, that they're able to help me out. Even customer service, Clever Investors got #1 customer service staff. I have to tell you that. If they don't know they don't know the answer to my question, they always know who to reach out to and contact me and help me out. So thank you.